Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday, April 15th, and it's really cold outside. So come on in with me. It's much warmer in here. Thanks for coming inside. So I have a few announcements for you today, and then I also have a science experiment. You need to know something. Every day, your teachers tell me how much they miss you and how much they wish they could give you a big hug. And you know what? I miss you too. And at times, I get sad because it seems like we're never going to go back to school. But I can tell you for sure, there will be a day when we come back to school and we get to see each other again and we pick up right where we left off. So although we don't know when that day is, it's coming. So hang in there and hope that it is sooner than later. And over these past few weeks, your teachers have been preparing some work for you. And we're ready to get this new information out to you. So here's what's going to happen. On Monday, April 20th, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., you're invited to come with your families by a car to pick up a new packet of activities. Have your parents enter the bus loop, just like the buses do, and pull around to the sidewalk right in front of the elementary doors. I'll be there with some friends, and we'll pass packets to you. We just ask that you stay in your car. It's so important that you stay in your car because we're being asked to practice social distancing. That means just staying away from each other. But why we social distance is actually pretty interesting. I'm sure you know by now that we're trying to stop the spread of a virus. You see, viruses are so weird because they spread from human to human, and then they come inside of our bodies and they take over our cells. So for example, healthy lung cells can be taken over by viruses, and those viruses tell our lung cells to make more viruses. And that's when you start feeling sick. And when you cough, those viruses can leave our body and enter the bodies of our friends. So when we social distance or we stay far away from our friends, there's less of a chance that if we were to cough, that those viruses can go into our friends' bodies. So that's why we have to social distance. I want to show you a video that helped me better understand what social distancing is. Here, check this out. So this video is a simulation, and these ping pong balls represent people. This ping pong ball coming in represents a person with the virus. Notice how close all of the people were standing. This is trying to show that when people are close to each other, it's easy to spread the virus. Look at how far apart the people are now. This time, when the virus comes in, it's unable to reach anybody, and the spread has stopped. I hope you liked that video. It really helped me better understand why we have to social distance. So thank you for practicing that. So remember to practice social distancing on Monday, April 20th, and stay in your cars when you come to pick up your packets of activities. And those packets are for our friends in grades 1, 2, and 3. Our 4th grade friends, you don't have to pick up a packet because all of your work is on the Google Classroom. Just head on over to classroom.google.com and log in with your AppCSD account. And that's where you'll find all of your packets. A few days ago, I set up a science experiment for you, and it's in my garage right now, and I have to show it to you because I hope it worked. Here, come with me. Check this out. Wait till you see this. It worked. I can't wait to show these guys. Look at the bubbles. How did it even do that? You're gonna love this. A few days ago, I took an egg, just like a regular egg that you would find in your refrigerator, and then I filled up a glass with vinegar. I put that egg inside of that glass and let it sit in my garage for 3 days. And what happened was crazy. Whoa. What happened was the shell on the egg completely dissolved. So it's no longer hard on the outside, it's squishy and it almost feels like a bouncy ball. But this is not a hard-boiled egg. This is just a regular egg that I soaked in vinegar, and the shell is now gone. You've got to try this. It's an experiment that I had never done before, and I'm just fascinated with how crazy this egg feels. So all you got to do is take some vinegar and a regular egg and put it in a glass of water for about 24 hours, and that shell will be gone. Give it a try. I think you're going to like this one. I hope you have a great day.